What's up guys, this is Mike Spaniol with Energy Advantage Roof and Solar. We're up here in sunny northern Colorado installing a brand new solar array on this residence. We're using the Unirac SolarMount Pro light rail. That light rail is a thinner profile than what most people are used to. What's so awesome about this is it's less weight on the roof. The panels sit lower to the roof, so it's a much cleaner design, and they hide underneath those panels so well. These guys just did a great job putting these rails on. As you can see, they're perfectly straight, and we are ready for microinverters and solar panels on this project. Can't wait to show you the end product. Energy Advantage Roof and Solar. Can't wait to get a project started with you guys and use this SolarMount light rail.